What's up guys? Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you just switched from Android to iPhone, you might want to restore your WhatsApp chats to it from the backup stored in your Google Drive. However, the backup file is only available in Android. It doesn't seem to be anywhere in the iPhone. If you still have your Android, you can restore it to your Android first, then transfer it from Android to your iPhone with the Move to iOS app. But apparently that's just too complicated, and it requires you to erase your iPhone first. In this video, I'd like to show you a simpler way to pull it off, which is to use iCareFone Transfer, a professional WhatsApp transfer program. So we go to the WhatsApp tab once opened it up. Plug the iPhone in. Navigate to the Backup tab in the sidebar. Select from Google Drive. Then click Backup Now to proceed. Sign in with your Google account. iCareFone will detect your backup files and list them here. Select one to continue. It'll be creating a local backup from your Google Drive backup. Verify your phone number with encryption key or phone number. Well done. Now that the local backup is created successfully, let's go ahead and restore it to the iPhone. Okay, now we're going to log into WhatsApp on the iPhone. Skip restoring from iCloud if prompted. Once completed, click Logged In to continue. Well done. Let's go ahead and check it out. See, the WhatsApp chats have been restored perfectly, and all your other data stays intact. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips like this, subscribe to the Tenorshare channel, or click another video to keep watching now. See you next time.